Music, dance, and self-defense are all mixed to form capoeira. The art form of capoeira was created in the 1500s by enslaved Africans in Brazil. Capoeira doubles as a dance and potential weapon. It disguises itself through the act of kicking, flipping, and dodging as a way to defend themselves against slave masters. Besides a means of survival, it was a form of self-expression and now has arrived in the Bronx.
I have to say that every time someone comes in here, they're amazed at the fact that this is now in this community. Repeatedly, we've had people say this is exactly what the community needs.
We went inside ACBX Studio and witnessed kids in pairs of two practicing capoeira. Parents took their shoes off and joined the kids in a circle to play a game called roda. They engaged in a conversation of movement while dancing to handmade instruments such as drums, tambourine, and cowbells, followed by clapping from the audience.
The capoeira for the kids, we try to make the kids the very fun in class. We combine of course, the capoeira elements, but we use exercising like coordination, self-control, balance.
Common forms of youth activity usually include karate or ballet. Capoeira is unique because it's used not only as a martial art, but a way to demonstrate and practice discipline, like Noemi and Kenzo Ortiz, a brother and sister duo who have been students in the class for 3 months.
Capoeira's been a very fun experience for me. I like the bridges and the cartwheels.
Capoeira has been really fun to do.
Noemi Ortiz participated in the capoeira circle as her mother was sitting in the audience. Jannely Almonte Ortiz told us that her children have really been enjoying the class.
I found something that incorporates so many things at once, like physical fitness. There's a lot of acrobatics, which my daughter loves. The cultural component, the Afro-Brazilian singing, dancing, incorporated into the movements. So I just think it's a lot all rolled into one, and we love it.
As a parent, Jannely noticed that this is one of the activities her children have improved so fast in such a small amount of time. For more information, you can visit acbx.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Yesenia Ramos.